here I can check, but I'm pretty sure I would have to take the flywheel off. And that's an entirely different part of the job. I could possibly try fishing them in. That's where you take the girdles and main caps off, and you push one out, by pushing the next one in. Don't really like doing that because if you've got any tightness to it, you're scoring the surface. Yeah, I also didn't have any reason to suspect bad bearings. And these bearings, this is what's on the rod. Assuming, which I'm pretty sure, assuming everything is original. I do see 2 grooves in here. Yeah. Man, I may end up having to do it. Alright, well, figure that out when I get there. Thanks.